Good day to all the viewers out there. Learner's Deck is back, and today we'll be focusing on the visual depiction of the features which we'll be using within Google Forms. So, as you must be aware that it is not only important in this digital age to use the correct features, but it is equally important to make sure that the appearance of your forms or anything which you are using for your client, for your employees, or for your students maybe should look wonderful. Let's see what Google has for us in this particular scenario. Go to new and let's start with the new Google form, which is a blank form. As always, the very first thing that we always do with the Google form is name it, so that we can remember it in future what was the purpose of creating this particular form. Once you name your Google form with respect to the particular training, then you can proceed accordingly. See, Google also has a variety of options, not only for the Google Forms, but also for the fonts available within this particular application. So let's name it as color, and it will automatically be appeared on top of your screen as well. On the right top corner of your screen, you can see this eye, which means that preview. Preview means how this form will actually look like to all the persons or all the employees, students, etc. who will be providing response. So this will be the visual appearance of your form. Currently, it has a purple color on the background, and the font is kind of basic. So let's see what do we have in our repository. You can see that there is an option on the right top corner of your screen which is customize themes. Click here and a new window will appear on right side of your screen. The very first option that you have is your header. This is not only important to know but also feasible for many of you. Like if you're creating a form for your organization or for an event within your organization, you would love to see your company's monogram at the back of your form. This feature will definitely allow you to do so. You can do it by clicking on upload photos here, or if you have the monogram available within your albums, you can always use it from there. Currently, we are just using it for training purpose, so I'll use the basic version. I'll select this image. It's quite bright and will look good on a background. Google will also allow you to change the theme colors. You can always use these basic colors, or if you would like to add some more colors, you can click on this plus button and add from this screen. This is as easy as we used to do in Paint, MS Paint, so I don't think there is much issue in there. You can click on any of the color or color combination and then add, and Google will bring it up here on your theme color. Please note that the background color, that is the third option within these theme options, actually depends on the theme color. For example, if I'll choose this brown color, the background color will change, or the combination available within the background colors will change depending on this theme color. If I'll change the theme color, the combination will vary. So this is how it works. The last option we have here is the font style. As mentioned before, I am using currently the basic font style, and you can always change it as per your requirement or what type of form you are creating. For example, if it's a formal form, Google also gives a formal font style, and here it is. If you are not satisfied with all these given options, you can always go and add a new font within your forms. This is quite possible, and we'll see in a further lecture how it can be done. So this is how your form looks like. Let's see in the preview window what is the final appearance. This is a form. The background screen within form is black, and you can see that this was the image we selected in themes. So please use it within your Google Forms and let us know if you were facing any issue, and make sure that you have hit the like button on our YouTube page, which is Learner's Deck. Stay tuned and we'll be right back with more videos.